What are your thoughts on the TS4U Bootcamp approach? As we share our internal development process and procedures while you go through the complex software development journey, either to become a CloudOps engineer. Of course, for you, the CloudOps engineer, some student is a quality student, some students are the MERN stack. So tell me the experience, our bootcamp, our internal development process and procedure while you go through the complex software development journey.
So here I must say one thing, like every development journey or every development or deployment processing, the best part is SAR always shared that journey with us. There is nothing happen, like under the hood, or there is a no way that we don't know the way and we don't know what's going under the hood, right? So every time, every time the release note, SAR just share the release note with us and we know what is going on. So this is the best thing over here. Like every step we know, yeah, today is the OTA happen. Today will be OTA happen. Today is our application goes to the production. So this is the good thing. And so I'm actually not sure about the software developer or the QA, but yeah, as I know, so I actually learned a lot from this journey. And while Sarja sharing that development process with us, I actually know the every dot that yeah, this thing is happening while the application goes from very beginning to the production way. So this is the thing, like yeah, and the exact same thing we have to do on our work day by day, like every day. So that's how I just think, yeah, so this is the good part and this is the best way to learn like hands-on or like during our class.
Thank you.